In Nexperia, I'm working as an NPI engineer. So basically, NPI stands for New Product Introduction. So let's say in a PlayStation, you need new chips. So I'll be the person who will be building it. I was always a curious student, so that's why I wanted to do science, and eventually I took up electrical engineering, which is, I think, magical. And then semiconductor was where I wanted to specialize in. I did my undergraduate in electrical engineering, and same for masters, electronic and electrical engineering. So in my final year project, I chose semiconductors, and that's why I ended up here. On a daily basis, I am most of the time solving problems and also communicating with every other team to develop our new products. I love working with people, so with every department. Since I'm in NPI department, I have to be connected. Secondly, in my department, it's about connecting dots, and it always keeps me in my toes. If you are a curious person and are an analytical thinker, then engineering is the right discipline for you. We have a very helpful and good social environment in Nexperia, which helps me bring the best out of me. When I was doing my master's, I realized semiconductors is something I love to do. In the near future, I plan to do research in semiconductors.